and welcome to Standard 12. This is accountancy and chapter called admission of a partner. What is partnership? That we have done in previous video. Now in this we will be learning about when the partnership firm already exists, when there are already partners in the business, and when the new partner arrives, when new partner enter into the firm, how the process will come across, how the new partner will be accommodated into the partnership firm, what will be the profit sharing ratio, how this new partner will get a profit, and who will sacrifice from the old partner and in what proportion. If new partner enters into the business, does he or she has to bring capital? Does he or she has to bring goodwill? If yes, then what is the proportion? That we are going to discuss in this video. So first of all, we'll discuss about what is admission of a partner. The meaning of this: when a firm is already there, an inclusion of a new person as a partner to an existing firm is called admission of a partner. The new partner who joins the business is called incoming partner. They welcome the old partner, welcome the new partner. So as you can see on this slide, partner X and partner Y, they are already partner in business, and this is called partnership firm. But when the partner Z arrives, so it is known as incoming partner. So partner X plus partner Y plus partner Z, it becomes partnership firm. So earlier the partnership firm was a combination of only partner X and partner Y. Now the partnership firm is inclusion of partner Z also. So partner Z is considered to be the new partner, incoming partner, and for X and Y they are admitting, they allow to enter partner Z to become a new member of this partnership firm. So when the new member arrives, definitely there will be changing in the profit sharing ratio. The new capital will arrive, the company's goodwill will increase, the capital will increase, and in what proportion the partner Z, the new partner, will bring. Now the next topic which we'll discuss in this part is rights of incoming partners. The partner who is new into the business, what are their rights? What he or she can achieve from the firm, what he or she can ask from the firm, partnership firm. So for acquisition of the right to share the asset, when the new partner arrives, which is already existing partnership business, the new partner has to bring some new capital, because he is entering into already established firm, already established business, which was developed by partner X and partner Y. Now if Z wants to enter into already established business, he has to bring some capital as per the terms and agreement of the partnership firm, which is XYZ. These three will decide what should be the new capital. And because Z is bringing new capital, because Z is coming up with a new money into the firm, the right of Z will be for the right of share of the partnership firm. The Z will get profit or he will share the loss from this firm. Now this chapter is very much in detail, but in this video we are going to discuss only first two part, which is ascertaining the new profit and loss ratio, and number two is calculation of sacrificing ratio. But for this chapter, these are the things which we need to learn. So for admission of a partner, these are the necessities which we need to understand. First is what will be the new profit and loss ratio, sharing ratio. Number two, calculation of sacrificing ratio, because the new partner is arriving, old partner is sacrificing from their existing share. So how to calculate sacrifice ratio? What will be the revaluation of asset? How to distribute the reserves and accumulated profit? what will be the treatment of goodwill and how to adjust the capital, or what will be the adjustment in capital. So as far as this chapter is concerned, these are the 6 points which we need to learn, but in this part we are going to discuss only first and second point, which is new profit share ratio and the calculation of sacrificing ratio. Now what is new profit sharing ratio? As there are only two partner, for example X and Y, they share half, that is 50-50, or they share depending upon their requirement, which is 1:2. But when the new partner, which is Z, who is entering into the firm, the X and Y will have to sacrifice something, they have to give up something, then and only then X will get some profit from the business. So to give some profit from the partnership firm to the new partner, old partner will have to give up something, old partner will have to sacrifice something. So this is known as a sacrifice ratio. The ratio in which the old partner sacrifice, or they surrender their rights, they surrender their profit, they are ready to give up some part of profit, and the old partner, when they give up some part, when you club this give up part of old partner, that becomes the share of new partner. So sacrificing ratio is very important for calculation to find out how much new partner will get the share from the business. So sacrificing ratio, the formula equals to old ratio, whatever the partners are getting earlier, minus the new ratio, if we calculate the new ratio, or vice versa. To calculate the new ratio, from old ratio we will minus the sacrifice ratio. So old ratio is 50-50, now new ratio is only 30%, so that means 20% has been given up by the old partner. So in this you can say old ratio minus sacrifice ratio will be the new ratio. So this can be the new formula for this. Now let us understand with the help of practical example. Suppose X and Y are partners and they are sharing the profit in the ratio of 1:2. That means whatever profit business earn, one part X will earn and two part Y will earn. So we can say 1/3 is a share of X and 2/3 is a share of Y. They are ready, they admitted partner Z, and they decide to give 1/3 of share. Whatever they earn, 1/3 will be given to Z. So our job is to find out what will be the new ratio. So new ratio, as we have just discussed in the previous slide, was old ratio minus sacrifice ratio. So let us calculate in the next part. Solution will be the present share. So it is already given 1:2. So I can say share of X will be 1/3, that is total. 1:2 is 1 plus 2 is 3, so 1/3 X will get. Share of Y will be 2/3, 2/3 share of profit Y will get. Now they are ready to admit Z with a share of 1/3, and that means X will sacrifice 1/3 from the profit. Whatever X is achieving, 1/3 will be sacrificed by X and 1/3 will be sacrificed by Y. So we need to find out what will be the new share. If out of 1/3, 1/3 is sacrificed by X, what will be the new share of X? And out of 2/3 of Y, 1/3 is sacrificing by Y, what will be the new share of Y? And total sacrifice of X and Y, whatever X and Y are sacrificing, that will be achieved by Z. So the calculation of sacrificing ratio will be, X sacrificing ratio will be old ratio, which is 1/3, and 1/3 of old ratio will be sacrificed. So 1/3 multiplied by 1/3, 1/9 share is sacrifice ratio of X. X is sacrificing whatever he is earning, 1/9 will be the sacrifice. How 1/9? That is 1/3 is old ratio multiplied by 1/3 he is ready to sacrifice. So 1/3 multiplied by 1/3, 1/9 is sacrifice. And Y, 2/3 is old ratio multiplied by 1/3, Y is sacrificing. So 2/9, 2/3 multiplied by 1/3, that is 2/9 is sacrifice ratio of Y. So sacrificing ratio is 1:2. As you can see on this slide, 1:2 is sacrificing ratio of X and Y. So what will be the new sharing ratio? New ratio, as per the formula, old ratio minus sacrifice. So let us first calculate for X. 1/3 is old minus sacrifice is 1/9. So by taking LCM, here we multiplied by 3, and on numerator also we multiplied by 3. So 3 minus 1 divided by 9 equals to 2/9 is a new ratio of X. Similarly for Y, 2/3 minus sacrifice, which is 2/9. To take LCM, here is 9. We multiply 3 with denominator and 3 with numerator. So 6 minus 2 divided by 9 is 4/9. So this is new sharing ratio. And partner Z. What is the new share of partner Z? The sacrifice ratio of old partner. 1/9 is X is sacrificing, 2/9 is Y is sacrificing. So total 3/9 is a new ratio of Z. So the new ratio of partnership, that is X, Y and Z, is 2:4:3. And in all the ratio, the denominator is 9, which we have equal. That is why the ratio of X will be 2, the ratio of Y will be 4, and the ratio of Z will be 3. So that is what the new profit sharing ratio of the partnership